Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to remove your fog light homing and replace the bulb. The bulb is an H11. So this one is actually quite simple. Let me sit down here. This one is actually really quite simple. There's no screws or anything like that. Only thing there is clips. There should be a clip right here. Just one or two right here. A big one here. And I think there's one on the bottom as well. Now you can either be able to reach up under and push them in. Sometimes you can just push them and you can see the clips. It's not hard ones. Push, and this big one right here. Oh, what's it called on? It's called on something down here. And you should be able to push it back under your bumper. Call it on something. Hold on just a second. Trying to figure out. Oh, that piece right there shouldn't be caught on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I lied. There is one. Right there. Socket holding in the frame. It should be a 7mm, but since I ain't got mine, I got a 932s. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out real fast, and then this whole thing will just slide out. We'll do that real quick, and I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, so as soon as I removed it, it just went down. There's a clip right here. You're gonna push it in, and you're gonna pull out, and then the whole homing piece right there is going to fall. So in order to not crack it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my foot down here. I just hold it in place. It will fall. Okay, it's gonna take two hands because I'm gonna have to put. Anyways, it's right there. You can see it. That's the clip. You just push it in, pull it out, and then it'll release the homing, the headlight homing. Okay, so now that it's detached, I'm going to. Somebody get it one-handed or not. Spin it, let it click, just wiggle it till it comes out. Turn my click. It's giving me more problems than it's worth. There it goes. Which the bulb is an H11. And I'm going to be replacing it with this one. So you look at it. So I get it. This side's a little bit bigger than the other ones. Right, and you can see right there is a little bit bigger than the others. So I'm gonna try to match that up. Put it in there. Once all three goes, it'll spin. Spin directly down. Okay, and at this point, you just hook the headlight back up, put the homing back in, and all it does is push back in, and then that part just screws back. So basically, put it up under here, push it in until you hear all the clips click, and screw that bottom screw back in, and you'll be good. I hope this video helped. More videos to come with the Mazda. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.